Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that can Hong Kong be the next crypto hub for Asia? Because there are a couple of news coming from that area, so it's worth to talk about it. Also, Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss is saying that crypto's next bull run will come from the east. Maybe this rhymes with the first news. And the third thing is all about that the Bank of Russia is about to start testing digital ruble with actually real users on the 1st of April. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in this topic, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe, bell button, all. That's it. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. I'm making these longer videos between Monday and Friday. And also you're getting these short videos on these days plus on the weekend. So it's worth to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating for you. Right, and now when we look at the market, we can see that actually Bitcoin is now up 0.8% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum about the same, 0.6 up, which makes Ethereum $1,707, while Bitcoin is 24,883. We are in that area for a while. And when we're looking at the top gainers, this also messed up a little bit. But anyway, Conflux is up 82% in the last 24 hours. On the second place, Tax with 46. And then we have NEO, 26%. When we're looking at the top losers, not many losers. Singularity Net going down now 7%, about Render token 8% down. And yeah, here. Internet Computer 9% down at the moment. Okay, when we're looking at here the Bitcoin chart, then we can see that we really hold this support this on the 4-hour one, I have to admit. So it all goes back until the 15th of February. So on the last 5 days, what I have through here. So here we have this here trend line, and we try to break above it, and we have managed it a couple of times. Managed to go above 25,000, but then it's a very strong resistance, and we will push back every single time so far, I have to admit, because you know we weren't successful. And it's very important to highlight when we're looking at here the weekly, and we go on the 200-day moving average. You can see that here is this blue line, and this blue line is around here where this whole resistance is happening. So to break above it, stay above it would be very important. If that happens, we close above it here and we stay above it, then it can, you know, push Bitcoin up even to 28,000. So this could be actually a next level, but it's a very strong one, as I said already. So as you can see, it's not that easy to break. It can also happen that we will be pushed back and maybe coming back on the daily. We are here on the daily. So this is here the 200-day moving average, around here 19,700-ish. So even a pullback until here around 20,000, 21,000, something like that, it is still possible. Even if we go down here, look all the way here, like here, this 21,800-ish is still forming higher highs, higher lows. So it will be bullish trend to have a stronger pullback. It would be actually healthy, but we will see how we're going to manage it. When you're looking at here, you can see that we had a couple of. So actually on the 16th of February, we went all the way down here, and then we up, and even here today in the early morning, we went all the way down here at 23,800-ish kind of. So Bitcoin is hitting the ceiling, and we see how successful it will be. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about Hong Kong, and could it be the next crypto hub of Asia? And here is this article now, which is all about that Hong Kong outlines upcoming crypto license regime. So Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission calls for public consultation over plans to allow licensed cryptocurrency exchanges to serve retail investors. So this is the important thing: retail investors coming back to the game. Maybe it can, take effect from June this year. So in summer it will be. So the key consideration of the public consultation window is whether to allow licensed exchanges to serve retail investors in the country and what measures should be implemented to provide a range of robust investor protection measures. So as they said, they would like to really protect the customers, and first of all, they should really decide, can retail customers trade crypto or not? Okay, so the SFC announced that consultation process on the 20th of February, outlining a new licensing regime for the industry, which proposes that all centralized cryptocurrency trading platforms operating in Hong Kong must be licensed with the regulatory body. And of course, we had here other news that, first of all, no, Hong Kong won't be allowing retail traders access to crypto on 1st of June. That it's like a misreading of the legislation. This came out on the 17th here on the crypto, CoinDesk. But this one is now just a couple of hours ago here, coming out today on the 20th. So it looks like we're going probably in this direction, and obviously they want all kind of protection. It was here you can see that, safe custody of assets, know your customer, conflict of interest, cyber security, accounting and auditing, risk management, anti-money laundering, and so on and so forth. So now this is on the table, but this is actually very important, because Hong Kong could, if this happening, and if it goes in a good way, could really become a crypto hub for the Asian market. And this here somewhere another news I was looking for, but where did I put? I wasn't in this article. Anyway, bottom line, this is actually big for crypto, because we do know what happened in Asia. With China banning Bitcoin mining and all other things against crypto. And now let's move on to the next topic, which is strongly connected to this one. And it's all about that Cameron Winklevoss is saying that crypto's next bull run will come from the East. So here we go. Many people believe that actually the next bull run, the push for the next bull run, can come from the East. And this is this article all about that. The Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss believes that the next bull run will come from Asia, where America has two options basically: embrace crypto or be left behind. And he's a couple of times criticizing the United States, how they handle now crypto, the SEC and others, that if they do not wake up, they can be left behind in this game. So he's saying that it will be a humbling reminder that crypto is a global asset class, and that the West, really the US, always only ever had two options: embrace it or be left behind. And also highlighted that it cannot be stopped, that we know. And according to Chainalysis, Central and Southern Asian Oceania, I'm not sure how to say it actually, was the third largest cryptocurrency market in its index for 2022. So citizens from these areas received $932 billion worth in cryptocurrency value from July 2021 to June 2022. So just in that 1 year period. So CSAO was also home to 7 of the top 20 countries in 2022 index. When it comes to crypto. So number 1, Vietnam, then we have the Philippines, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Nepal, and Indonesia. And also Coinbase CEO and co-founder Brian Armstrong said the stringent action from the US regulators, include the SEC, could further drive crypto business offshore. So now the huge question is, how will the US participate? how much they against crypto, make it crypto livable, really, and breathable in their country. Because if they mess it up, as China has messed it up already, but maybe if they turn around and now with Hong Kong making it a crypto hub, coming up in the game, and actually the bull push could come from the east, then really US could be left behind. And I'm not sure they want it. But obviously, do you know, like recently we heard last week, some point, it was Charlie Munger saying that how bad crypto is and doesn't really understand all the regulators who actually just thinking about any kind of regulation in crypto, they should strictly ban it. But we do know that, these guys were Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, they were all great in their business back in their time. But seriously, he's almost 100 years old, never was on top of the tech industry. He was not a huge investor in the tech, and it's not his cup of tea, in my opinion. And even if that he's saying that and he had tremendous successes in the past, it's not meaning that he's completely right. So it's very important which direction the US will choose with the SEC and all other authorities in crypto, because they cannot really stop it. It's something, it's a worldwide thing. The only thing is that do they want to participate? And yes, it's very, very important what the US is doing. It will have a huge impact on the crypto, definitely in the short term, but after, crypto will find its own way, as it did always. Okay, and now the third news is, something about stable coins, because Bank of Russia is about to start testing digital ruble with the real users on the 1st of April, so pretty soon. Well, CBDC is something I'm talking a lot on this channel, because I do believe that it will be a danger for us, in a way that it will be full control, and this is the reason partly why we're in crypto. And look at this. So Bank of Russia, they're moving on quite quickly. If you can look at this here, start from here. So the digital ruble project was announced in October 2020, right? Not long ago. And the prototype of the CBDC platform was finalized in December 2021. The pilot phase was launched in January 2022. And by the way, CBR is aiming for a full launch of the national digital currency in 2024. And this is actually pretty much next year. Wow! My head is highlighted because the sun is now shining like crazy. Anyway, I'm not messing around with the colors now because it will die anyway. Okay, so as you can see, they're moving pretty... Sorry. They're moving pretty fast. And, here the Central Bank of Russia Federation is going to proceed the next phase of the digital ruble project. On the first day of April, testing will involve real transaction with new form of national fiat. Deputy Governor Olga Skorobogatova told the journalist. She's the deputy governor. And the plan is to start with transfers between individuals and the payments between trade and service companies. The top official detailed, she emphasized that these will be real transactions and real customers of certain banks that are ready to take part. Already more than 12 banks taking part in this thing. However, she also noted that the initial number of these transactions, as well as the number of participating clients, will be limited. Ordinary customers will not be able to participate in the testing at the first stage. Anyway, these are like obvious things. They would like to test it out, but you can see how fast they're moving. And then we have China with the digital yuan, and we have all other countries going in this direction. So CBDCs are coming. It really looks like it's not a question. The countries working hard on it. This is full control, centralized digital money, and that's scary, to be honest with you. Okay, guys. That's it. That's it for today. Don't forget, man, my head how it looks like in the sun. Anyway. So tomorrow I'm back with the freshest. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you'd like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency blockchain news every single day. Doesn't matter if it's weekend, the shorts are coming, or these longer videos, or the shorts every day. And hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I'm back tomorrow. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.